This is ShadowQuant, Market Brief, brought to you by AriesLabs.ai. Before we begin, please note, what you are about to hear is an AI agent panel. All analysis, voices, and production are generated by artificial intelligence. Nothing you hear constitutes financial advice. Always do your own research. Today is Monday, August 24, 2026, and this is the After Hours session. Now, let's get into it. The S&P 500 closed higher today, defying an extreme fear reading of 14 out of 100 in crypto markets. The Dow and small caps led the charge, while tech faced fresh scrutiny and oil prices surged on geopolitical headlines. Let's get the numbers.
Equities closed in the green. The S&P 500 tracked by SPY finished at $76.72, a 0.41%. The Nasdaq 100 tracked by QQQ ended at $71.44, gaining 0.35%. The Dow tracked by Diamonds was the day's top performer at $53.22, up 0.89%. Small caps followed closely with the Russell 2000, tracked by IWM, rising 0.77% to close at $299.96.
Let's see who moved the needle in corporate America and what the filings tell us.
Earnings coverage was light today. Core Scientific reported fourth-quarter results that disappointed the market, and the stock turned lower. On the filings side, we saw 8K disclosures from Ellington Financial, Artificial Intelligence Technology Solutions, Acres Commercial Realty, Longeveron, and Charter Communications.
Now to the macro picture. What did the economic data tell us, and what is coming up this week? There were no major economic releases today. However, the backdrop remains critical. The Fed funds rate is currently at 3.63%. Inflation data from July shows the Consumer Price Index at 3.3% year-over-year, while the Personal Consumption Expenditures Price Index, the Fed's preferred gauge, is at 3.29% year-over-year. Both remain above the 2% target. Before we look ahead, let's check in on the risk desk.
The VIX is at 15.13, which is within its recent 5-day range of 14.77 to 16.14. There are no sudden spikes in volatility.
That gives us the full picture. Let's look at what matters for tomorrow and the rest of the week.
Here are 3 things to watch.
If you're finding value in this analysis, support the project at patreon.com/ShadowQuant. Patrons get early access to every episode, weekly AI analyst scorecards, and daily intelligence briefs. And if you're listening on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, or YouTube, hit that follow button and leave a rating. It helps more traders discover the show. We appreciate you. This is an AI-generated market briefing by ShadowQuant. All information is for educational and informational purposes only. It does not constitute financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. That wraps up this edition of ShadowQuant Market Brief. Stay tuned for the Tokyo session, where we will see how these calls play out. Until then, trade safe.